we have a word problem that we kind of did this, but let me just go and say it out loud again so we can just kind of get an idea to make sure that the numbers I wrote up there are correct. It says an investment account pays 4.2% annual interest. So our R is 4.2%. All right. If 2,500 is initially invested, so that's our P, right? Our initial investment, our P is 2,500. Invest in an account, what will be the balance after 15 years? So we don't know the balance, which is A, our final amount. We know that 15 years is going to be the number of years, and it says the annual interest rate is compounded monthly, right? So therefore, our N is going to be 12. So let's go and write in the formula again. So A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the N times T. Okay? So now we take our compound interest formula, and now what we're going to do is just simply plug in what we know. We don't know A. That's what we're trying to figure out. So we have 2,500 times 1 plus interest rate. We need to make sure we write this as a decimal. 0.0 divided by 15 raised to the 15. I'm sorry, times 12, thank you. Times 12 times 15. Okay? Now, you guys can plug this in your calculator all at one time, but my recommended way to do this, just to make sure, is just to apply the order of operations. Okay? It's a very simple way, and it's a very foolproof way of not making mistakes, because sometimes if you guys plug this in your calculator, you guys might not put the parentheses in the right way, and you might get a wrong answer. So what I like to do is just follow the order of operations. Order of operations say to do what? Inside the parentheses first, and then follow the order of operations inside the parentheses. So inside these parentheses, I have to divide. So I take 0.042 divided by 12. Then I add that to 1. Right? So now I have 1.0035. Next order of operations, say after you do parentheses, the next one is to do exponents or powers, right? So now I'm going to raise that to the 12 times 15th power. So I do answer raised to the and you get 1.8755. Then I'm going to multiply that by 2,500. So therefore, my final amount, A, equals $4,688.87. Right? So when we're looking at this, ladies and gentlemen, let's just go through this again. You initially put in $2,500, right? You're given a rate of 4.2% over 15 years, compounded monthly. Your ending value after 15 years is going to be $4,688. Not bad, right? Okay. Almost. Very good. Okay. You guys.